Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ex.1.3. The most important part in sets to find the largest and the smallest value of x. Today's topic is about that x is in the position of A intersection B. This is very important because in the next video I will be discussing more about the position of x. So first of all, I would like to say one thing. That's what are the positions for 1, 2, 3, and 4 areas. Uh, Please just learn this like you should learn it by heart. This is called the universal set. This is set A, this is set B. This area is A intersection B. And today's target is only to find the smallest and the largest value of this area, not this or not outside area or not this area. This area, we will write this the A intersection with B complement because B is out. B is not here. This is this area I'm talking about, only this area, and the B is not involved. Here, if you see A is not involved means I will write A complement intersection B. Area 1, Area 2, Area 3. This area, we have two possibilities. We can write A union B, the whole complement, or you can write A complement intersection B complement. And this, when you have two sets in this situation, you can also learn this area is A intersection B complement. So you can also shade when you require. We have so many questions about this part and this part. Okay. Now, when I start, I told you that today we're doing the largest and the smallest value of x only, and x is here, this area, not this. Okay, moving to next part. Uh, okay, what is my method actually? This diagram to find x and to find this x because both are here. We can see x is the A intersection B area. So this is A, this is B, and it can be A or B is okay. I'm writing A and this is B. This is universal set. This is universal set. If you cannot see B, I'm writing B here. This is set is B. Okay, and target is only this area. So this diagram is fixed to find the largest value. Sorry, the smallest value. This diagram is fixed for the smallest value of x when x is like the common, and this diagram is the largest value of x of x when x is common. Okay. I would like to write something here. This is x and this area I'm writing y. This I'm writing y. Okay. Now, if we have a question to find the largest value or the smallest value, so I'm writing from here. When you want to find the smallest value of this x, okay, x is small when y is equals to 0. If you write this is 0, this will be automatically smallest value. So this is fixed, one thing. Okay, y is also small when x equals to 0. So this means I'm talking about now these two areas, not this two, not this and not this. I will be discussing this area in the next video. So it means what I'm doing here, x is very small when y is 0 means nothing is outside. This will be minimum, 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 then it will be. So I can give one example here. Okay. Uh, where you we can also write one more thing here. This is a small area, this is small area, this is the large area, and this is the large area. This is the way you can understand. This is large, this is both are large and both are small. I would like to use one example, and please remember this diagram is for the smallest value, this diagram is for the largest value for the intersection. Okay, let's start the video. We have one question here. uh, in this question, the universal set is 50, A is 25, B is 30, intersection, because today's target is to find the intersection, the least value, possible value, and the greatest possible value. Okay, so first of all, I would like to draw the diagram, this diagram, because we have to use this diagram to find, and I want to make this diagram a little small, or is okay, I think so. Okay, let's see. In this question, I will be writing this is universal set, this is set A, this is set B, and the position of X is in the middle. You can see A intersection B. Okay. And universal set is like there are 50 members. In A, we are having about 25 members. And B, we have about 30 members. And there is nothing outside, it's not given here. So it means this is 0. Okay. So this area will be 25 minus x. I have already explained in the last video. This is 30 minus x. Now, what is the condition I told you? When this is 0, the x is automatically small. This is the smallest value. This is small. This diagram is for the smallest value. So A part to find the small value. Now, nothing is outside because it's not given in the question. So it means nothing is outside. So what I will write 25 minus x plus all areas. Right? 30 minus x is equals to 50. Okay, now x cancel out 30 and this is coming 55. 55 minus x is equals to 50 and x is equals to 5, and it is the minimum value of the intersection we have done it. Now, what about the largest value? I told you for the largest value, we have this diagram. This diagram is for the largest value. So if this diagram is for the largest value and I want to find the largest value for this part, I have to draw another diagram here. The diagram is like here, and I have to draw two circles, one circle, big circle, and second is about the small circle. Okay, now this is the diagram. This is fixed for the largest value. So a universal set number of members are 50. We have already done. Okay, now just check one thing. A is 25, B is 30, and this area is X intersection. This is like we are talking about intersection here. Intersection, this is intersection. Okay. Uh, so now what you can do now, A is 25, A is 25, and B is 30. Which set is smaller? A. So I will write 25 here, first of all. Okay, now this means this is A now and this will be B because small set will be here inside the big set. Now the total number of members in B are like 30. In B we have already used 25, which is a part of A. A is a part of B also. It means 25 is also in B. So how many more members elements are required to fit to make 30 is 5. Now A is 25 and B is altogether is 30. But remember one thing, when you're talking about this area, this outside area, the total is 50. So 25 plus 5 is 30. So this will be 20. Like I have just put all the elements in the given set. I told you this is a small, this is a small, this is large, and this is large. Check it out. This is large, this is large. So when you want to give the answer like here, that find the largest, the greatest possible value of x, and x is what? X is intersection. So what I will write? X is this part and 25. So your largest value of x is 25 and we have done it. Actually, these two sets are fixed for the smallest value and for the largest values. Please remember when you like, I'm just talking about intersection only. So I think so we have done and we can check our answers. I think so. Maybe uh, we can check our answers here. Answers are question number is 8, 5 and 25. 5 and 25, and we have done it. Absolutely right. This the answer is coming here 5. Answer is coming 5 here. 5 and 25. Let's move to the second part. In question number 9, is given that find the largest value, greatest value, and the smallest value of x. But x is here. X is the elements of B, not intersection. So I'm not doing this question number 9. This I will do in the next video because today's target is to do only the intersection. Okay, here, for example, x is intersection, so we can do this question. Because normally in the exam, we have most of the questions uh, about the intersection to find the maximum minimum, and no problem, we can also discuss like the second part. So I need two circles now, because it can be there are two possibility for this part. There are two possibilities. One, this with intersection, and second possibility, this is the diagram for the smallest value, and this diagram is for the largest value. And I need two circles. One is a big circle, and second, I need the small circle. Okay, so now this diagram is for the smallest value. So I'm just working now. X is in the middle, and X is also here because I'm talking about the intersection only. Okay, there are two sets M and P, and elements, total elements are 30. 20 likes mathematics, 15 likes physics. So, okay, this is maths is 20 and physics are 15. So this will be 20 minus x, and this will be 15 minus x. Do we have anything outside is given? Is given that the students nothing is outside. Express, okay. Okay. And express in set notation, students who like mathematics but not physics, like mathematics but not physics. So this area, and I told you this is fixed. We can like I have already like discussed. You can see in above that you have to remember these sets by heart. These. So now, if you want to give the answer of this part, I think so. There is no problem. If you want to give the answer, like express the set notation, students who like mathematics but not physics. So this is what you write P complement, P and intersection M, and that's we have done the first part. Okay, now moving to express this in one more question here. There is nothing outside. This was the this part I'm talking about. This part, the first part we have like done. Now they're asking a part like express M union P. M union P means there is nothing outside, so I will write 20 minus x plus this plus this plus 15 minus x all together is equals to 30, and that's your like union. When you're talking about everything is union. So x cancel out. Now 20 is coming 35 minus x is equals to 30, and x is coming. Oh, sorry, we have to write uh, very simple. We do not need to calculate this. So a cancel out is coming 35 minus x. This is called the number of M union P. Because we do not need to find the value of x, they are asking to write what we have here. Okay, in terms of x, we have done it. Now find the smallest possible value of x. Now, smallest possible value, this is the diagram for the largest possible value because this is large and this is large. This is small means this is small, and this should be small. When this is 0, it's okay. And it's already 0 because nothing. So I add everything and equals to like the same thing. I will write everything that 35 minus x equals to 30, and x is coming 5, and you can check the answer. I think so. Question number 10 is 35 minus x. The 35 minus x, we have done it. And next is b is 5 and b is 5, we have done it. So this is the way we have done question number 10. Next question, once again, I told you this, I am finding intersection. So can we check? We have to check first of all. Yes, this is intersection. So we can do this question. So what we need for this, if you want to find the smallest value only, so we need only this shape too, because this shape is the first smallest one, this one, and two circles with some common. This is smallest, like this diagram is the smallest value of this x. Okay, 25 all together, total number of 25 and of 12 are school play and 18 are in school choir. Okay, so we can write this is play and this is choir, and I'm writing here this is 12 minus x, and this is 18 minus x method we have, and nothing is outside, it means is 0. We can write 0 because nothing is outside, and this is automatically small. So now moving to this part, next part A is we are writing find number of p complement. So like p complement means without p, nothing, like this p is about 12. So like 12 are in the school place. So I will write 25 minus 12 is equals to 13. It's very simple part. Like we just need to get the answer is 13. So we can also check the answer is coming. 13 is right. So A part is 13. We have done the number of members in P complement. Part B. Find the smallest possible value of this. Like smallest intersection. Smallest means this should be 0. Oh, good. 12 minus x plus x. All the areas I'm adding 18 minus x plus 0 is equals to 25, and you can get the value of x. Is coming about 30. All the time is coming 5. Surprise. We can check the answer. The answer is coming 5 is right. Part C is about express and set notation children who are neither in the school play nor in the school choir. Like the outside, we have to write. I told you this is set for this part. I have made it fixed. Like you can check. We are talking about this area. You can write this answer or you can write this answer, is up to you. Like there is no problem. So let's see what's the answer of this part. Question number 11. Check 11 is like we can write the P complement intersection C complement, or you can write P union C, the whole complement, is up to you. Both are A, right? And we can check the answer is P complement intersection C complement. You can write any one of the answer. It's called actually De Morgan's law. This is De Morgan's law. Normally, this we use in our in our country, not internationally. We do not use this word actually. But okay. So next is question number 12. I told you today we are doing only intersection part. If we have intersection part, so find the least possible value of the intersection. Good. So we are doing this question. So what we need, least possible means which diagram is required? Two circles or circle inside circle. I think so. Two circles with some intersection. This diagram is fixed for finding smallest value. So please be careful. Okay. And this is x small. This is small when this is 0. Okay, let's see. Universal set is about universal set is 60, and S is S and F. Yes. By drawing a Venn diagram, otherwise answer the following questions like Given that number of elements 60 universal set, number of S 33, number of F 36, this is 33, this is 36. Find the least possible value. Okay, I told you if you want to find this value x intersection, this is 33 minus x, and this is 36 minus x, and this is 0. Uh, I explained this part because we have frequent question of the intersection to find the largest value or the smallest value. So I'm doing this part first. So A part 36 or 33 minus x plus x and plus 36 minus x equals to 60. X cancel out 36 and 30. This is coming 39. Sorry, 69. Thank God the answer is coming 9, not 5. All the time we have 5. Okay, let's see. What's the answer? Answer is coming 12. A answer is coming 9. Absolutely. You have done it right. Now, moving to the B part. In B part, in a group of 60 people, 33 can speak Spanish, speak French, find the greatest possible. Greatest. Okay, good. I would like to. Okay, this is same example because 60 is there, 33 is Spanish is there, 36 French is there, and we need to find the greatest possible value who can speak Spanish, but not French. Sorry. This part I will be doing in the next video because we are finding the greatest possible value of not the intersection, not the intersection. We are finding which value here. I can show you only the greatest possible value of the people who can speak Spanish but not French. We are talking about this part. So X is here now. So this I will explain in the next video when I like discuss how we can find the smallest and greatest value in other area, not intersection. Do we have something intersection here? Okay. We have to find the intersection is here and the smallest. Okay, that's a good question. We can move. What we need like smallest. We need both the both the diagrams. This is the smallest one, and the second diagram for like the circle inside the circle, inside circle is for the largest value. So we need. Okay. Now we can move. This is universal set is about 32, and A is the student who own a desktop computer, notebook computer. Desktop we can write the D and we can write N. Okay, and here we can write 26 on desktop. 26 means I can write 26 here. Or this is X. This is 26 minus X. This is 9 and this is 9 minus X. And nothing is outside, so it means you can find a small value. Okay. Small value is okay. This is for the smallest value, and this is for the largest value. This diagram is fixed. We cannot change it. Okay, I'm moving to small, but going to A part first. A part, find this in terms of X. So A complement intersection B complement. First of all, remember what is this area? In my first explanation, I told you this area is always outside, here outside. So I can suppose this is your area. So this is y actually. So this is y means I'm talking about this area. So it means you have to write y as a subject means y is equal to something. So what I can do, I can write one thing 26 minus x plus 9 minus x plus y is equals to 32. Because you're writing this is equals to what? So I'm writing y is your subject. So y is the question mark. And x cancel out 26 and this 25, so 25 minus x plus is equals to 32. I make y the subject, so y is equals to 32 minus 25 is coming 7 plus x, and I think so we have done it. If you want to check the answer is coming Question number is 13. Sorry, if I'm not wrong, A complement intersection B complement. This coming minus, sorry, this is the x cancel out 25 and 29. Oh, sorry. This is 35. My mistake. I'm sorry. And this is okay. This still is here. Okay. And if you want to find the value of x value of y, so y will be equals to 32 minus 35 plus x. Y equals to x minus 3, and x minus 3 is the right answer, I think so. Yes, x minus 3 is the right answer. Sometimes, sorry, sometimes like I never see the question, I just start my word. So we have done the first part perfectly. Okay, find the smallest value. This smallest value means this should be equals to y. I told you, I explained this to find the smallest value, this area should be 0. So it means in this equation, this y should be 0. Y is 0 is equals to x minus 3, and the x is coming what? 3, and we have done it. Once again, like I told you, when this y is 0, then x is coming 3, and we have done it. I told you in the, like, I explained this should be always 0. Okay, now we need to find the largest value. In largest value, we have two like sets, 9 and 26. Here it should be 9 and here should be 26, but I will not write 26. Otherwise, this set will become 26 plus 9. So I have to minus 9 from 26. This is very important part. So this will become like 26. You have to minus 26 minus like 9 is coming about 6 and is coming 17. Okay, is 17. And if this is 17 means I will write this is the desktop computer and this is the notebook computer. Okay, altogether is about 26. This is 32. So when total is like 9 plus 17 is 26, then 26 and this 32, this will be 6. Then we have something here. So this is large. This is large and this is also large, and this is the intersection. So x is in the second part, the largest possible value of x is coming 9 from this part, and we have done. Check. Let me check the answer. 3 and 9. 3 and 9, and we have done it. Moving to next part, if we have this like intersection, then we can move. Uh, x is not the intersection. So this question number 14 and two other questions which are not like x is not equals to p intersection q or a intersection b. So by this way, we've done this explanation. This how we can find the largest value and the smallest value. Like this explanation, and this is very like this two diagrams are very important to find the largest value, smallest value in intersection. If you think this video is useful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel, share with your friends. And once again, thank you so much and have a nice day.